Good morning, guys. So in this video we will discuss about the introduction to science, technology, and society. So let us first define what is science. Science comes from the Latin word scientia, meaning knowledge. So science is the systematic body of knowledge or the study of natural world based on facts learned through experiment and observation or both. According to American scientist historian, modern science is a discovery as well as it is an invention. So this historian science named John Helbron. So Helbron defined modern science as a discovery as well as an invention. An invention to devise techniques like apparatus, abstraction, and organization to describe that natural phenomenon. So that is the meaning of science. For in other words, science is a systematic body of knowledge that learn through new things and through solving problem. And how about technology? What is the meaning of technology? So technology comes from the Greek root techni and then logos. Logos means word and techni means art, skill, or cunning of hand. Joining that together, the techni and logos, they give the definition of technology that as the discourse of art and also technology, it refers of application of scientific knowledge, laws, and principle to produce machine, services, tools, and materials. So, yun yung definition ng technology. According to Mark Zuckerberg, that one of the historical definition technology is something that to make human sense or the ability to make technology powerful. So, kung mapapansin natin nowadays, because of the power of technology, most people use it. And to define what is society means, society is a group of people that share the same interests, living together in an organized community that shared laws, traditions, and values.
Comparison between science and technology. According to Wolpert, the science is not the same to technology. It is because scientists are not responsible for the application of knowledge and technology. And science is not possible to predict scientific discoveries and how to apply these discoveries, while scientists are responsible for the reliable conduct of scientific inquiry and its honest interpretation and dissemination. Technological applications of science are influenced by other sectors, such as politics, governance, religion, and business. In this generation nowadays, the advancement of science and technology have become pervasive. It is because of the activities that humans pursue and the tools they use every day. The beauty of this is that an advancement builds upon itself, and also humans live more productive and more exciting lives than their predecessors.
So, we define science, technology, and society as a new academic discipline that shape and influence science and technology. And also, science technology is a relatively young field that combines previously independent and other disciplines. And that older disciplines include the history of science, philosophy of science, and sociology of science. So, as a academic field, science, technology, and society, according to Harvard University's Kennedy School 2018, traces its roots from the interwar and the start of the Cold War. So young, it was during when the historian and scientists found interest in interconnections of scientific knowledge, technological system, and society. So, according to Harvard University's Kennedy School, STEAM seeks to bridge the gap between two traditional exclusive cultures, which is the na, humanities and natural science, or interpretive or the rational. So, that is the another meaning of science, technology, and society. A new academic discipline that shape and influence science and technology, which combines previously independent and older discipline and its truth from the interwar period and the start of Cold War. So, STS applies methods from the history, philosophy, and sociology, so the race of STS in academic field resulted from the recognition that many schools today do not really prepare students to respond critically and reflectively and proactively in the challenges posed by the science and technology in the contemporary world.
So as of now, I'm gonna tackle about the ethical dilemmas and policy issue and technology. So when we talk about ethical dilemma take place in a decision-making context where any available options or requires the agent or to compromise the ethical standards. So for example, na isa ka company nga naghimo sila mga informations about ingana. Then ilaha na ay nagtabi about ingana which is bawal to. Then that's the relate to policy issue. When we talk about policy issue is rules and regulations. So mo to iyagi against nga ang rules nga about ingana nga company. And then here the following examples of the ethical dilemmas and technology. So number 1, helix. Number 2, bless you and pepper. Number 3, emotion sensing facial recognition. Number 4, the ransomware. Number 5, the textilizer. Number 6, social credit system. Number 7, Google Clips. Number 8, sentencing software. Number 9, friend bot. Number 10, citizen app. That's all.